Hey everyone, this is Meryl.
And this is Kritika.
And this is Abdul.
And we are Virginia Tech's electrical engineering students.
And this is an educational video made for the Design Empowered capstone, specifically for 4th through 5th grade elementary students to teach them about electricity.
You find all the slides and worksheets in the description. Enjoy! Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Al-Jabri, and today we're going to talk about open and closed circuits. You're going to find the PowerPoint in the description below. The thing we want to talk about is voltage. Voltage is electrical force or potential energy difference. It's measured in volts. Voltage sources have a negative and a positive. Examples are batteries and wall outlets. As you can see in the picture on the left, this battery has a positive and a negative. Now we're going to talk about the basics of a circuit. In order for electricity to work, electrons must be able to move. And here comes the current. Current is the flow of electrons over time. So what kind of materials conduct electricity? Metals, like copper or iron. Also water and air can conduct some electricity. Then we put different loads into a circuit, like a light bulb or a TV. So what else can you think of as a load? Now we're going to talk about open circuits. Open circuit is when your circuit is not fully connected, and there's a switch in the circuit, like a light switch. As you can see, the red arrow is pointing at. That's the switch. When the switch is off, the circuit is open, causing no electricity to flow through. That's why the light is off. On the other hand, closed circuit is when your circuit is fully connected, as shown in the picture on the left. And also there's a switch in the circuit, like a light switch. When the switch is on, the circuit is closed, causing electricity to flow through. As you can see in the left picture, the tiny yellow arrows are showing us the direction of electrons flowing through the circuit. What do you think of this? Is this an open or closed circuit? It's closed because everything is fully connected and both of the lights are on. What about this one? Is it an open or closed circuit? It's open because both of the wires are connected to the same point of the light. That's why the light is not on, which means the circuit is open. What about this one? Is it an open or closed circuit? It's closed because as you can see, everything is fully connected and the light is on. Now comes the experiment time. So please, before watching the other part of this video, look at the worksheet, make a prediction, and write what materials do you think are insulators and what materials do you think are conductors. And then we're gonna test it out all together. At the end, please write what did you learn out of this experiment. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone, my name is Abdul, and today we're gonna demonstrate an interesting experiment in open and closed circuits. So for this experiment, we're going to use energy sticks, water, aluminum foil, paper, and plastic. We want to test the conductivity of every part of this material, but you can choose whatever you want. I know I chose Prue as my friend, so we're going to test her as well. So first thing we want to try is try it with our bare hands, just to see if it's going to be closed or open. Now it's open, as you guys can see, but look now it's closed. So we have some lights on. Our next material is paper. We want to see if it's going to create a closed circuit. It's not. So this is an open circuit now. Now we're going to use water. So just put your fingers in there and let's see. Now this creates a closed circuit. Our next material is plastic. We want to see if it's going to create a closed circuit. As you guys can see, still an open circuit. Our last material for today's experiment is aluminum foil. We want to see if it's going to create a closed circuit. And it does. And you guys can actually test any kind of material you want to test, just to see if it's going to create a closed circuit or an open circuit. So as we saw in the experiment, paper and plastic didn't create a closed circuit, created an open circuit. Whereas aluminum foil and water created a closed circuit because they are conductor, but those guys are insulators. This is the end of open and closed circuit experiment. Thank you guys for listening.
So that's the end of this educational video.
I hope you learned a thing or two.
And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching with us.